ready for this, about knock me on my back, how hard it hit, like damn, bust down the door, ain't ever seen you out on this bar before, girl, you got me losing my mind, and I've been buzzing like that cold beer sign, blame it on the bartender, pouring strong, blame it on the band playing two-step songs, blame it on the dance floor, calling your name, 10 legs standing, just doing your thing, yeah, girl, it's true, I'm stuck on you, like a milestone on your boots, the way you move, what's a country boy do when you can't blame me, the blame's on you, the blame's on you. Hey, let me buy you a drink. Watch you sit ride that tequila train. I said, oh, see you ready to roll. Out on the dance floor, driving it low. Girl, it's almost closing time, and I bet your lips just taste like salt and lime. Blame it on the bartender, pouring strong. Blame it on the band playing two-step songs. Blame it on the dance floor, calling your name. 10 legs standing, just doing your thing. Yeah, girl, it's true, I'm stuck on you like a milestone on your boots. The way you move, what's a country boy do when you can't blame me? The blame's on you. The blame's on you. Blame's on you, dance, rolling late, 2 a.m. last call, time to leave. Silhouettes tangled in the light of the morning. No, you can't blame me. Blame it on the bartender, pouring strong. Blame it on the band playing two-step songs. Blame it on the dance floor, calling your name. 10 legs spinning, just doing your thing. Yeah, girl, it's true, I'm stuck on you like a milestone on your boots. The way you move, what's a country boy do when you can't blame me? The blame's on you. The blame's on you. The blame's on you.
Let's learn Blame's on You. It's choreographed by Rob Holley. It is a 32 count, 4-wall high improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 3 and a bridge for wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, the bridge, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Blame's on You. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to hitch our right knee up. You're going to do a big step back with your right, dragging your left heel into your right, and then do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to run forward, stepping left, right, left, and you can kind of make those stomp if you would like. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your hitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a right mambo forward, rocking forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. You're now going to do a left mambo back, rocking back with your left foot, recover forward on your right, step forward with your left foot. We're now going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a hinge turn, so we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our run, so weight is on our left foot. You're going to do your mambo steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do syncopated toe switches with quarter turns. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we step our right next to our left to face 12 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot next to your left to face 3 o'clock. point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do heel switches. You're going to place your right heel forward, quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, quickly step your left next to your right, and then we're going to do 2 right heel taps forward, taking your right heel, placing it forward, and then do that again, place your right heel forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our hinge turn, so our left is crossed over our right. Facing 9 o'clock, you're going to do your syncopated toe switches with quarter turns. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to touch our right toe back. We're going to do a body roll starting with our head and our shoulders coming slightly forward, rolling back and sitting down onto your right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, step forward with your left foot. We're now going to do a right lock step forward, stepping your right foot forward, step your left foot in and behind your right, and then step forward with your right foot. We're now going to do a chase half turn. We're going to step forward with our left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our heel, heel. You're touching back with your right and doing your body roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your hitch, drag back. Hitch, drag back, coaster step, rock, recover, half, run, run, run. Right mambo, step, left mambo, back, step, quarter cross, quarter, quarter cross. Point, quarter, point, step, point, quarter, point, step, heel, 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 touch, back, body roll, coaster, step, step, lock, step, chase, half turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your hitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 3. So we will be doing our 6 o'clock facing wall. It will be the first time that you're doing it. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, and then we're going to add on a jazz box. So let's dance the 32 counts, and then we will talk about that jazz box and go right into the bridge. So weight is on your left, you're facing 6 o'clock, you're going to do your hitch, drag, coaster step, rock, recover, half, run, 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 mambo step, step, quarter cross, quarter cross, point, quarter, point, step, point, quarter, point, step, heel, touch back, body and roll, coaster step, step, lock, step, and your chase half turn. Right here, we're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do a full count jazz box with a cross. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and then you're ready to go into your bridge, which is your last 16 counts, or starting with your syncopated toe switch quarter turns. So let's do the tag with counts and go right into the last 16 counts of the dance. Doing your jazz box is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do your toe switches quarter turn. Point, quarter turn, point, step, point, quarter turn, point, step, heel, touch, back, body roll, coaster, step, lock, step, and your step, half step. And then you will continue the dance on until the end of the song. Now let's talk about the ending. You're going to be facing 6 o'clock when you start your final wall. You're going to dance all the way up until your second section. So let's dance the first 8 counts, and then we'll talk about how to change that second section so that you can do the ending. Facing the back wall, you're going to do your first 8 counts, starting with your hitch, drag back, coaster step, rock, recover, half, run, run, run. From here, you're going to do your mambo forward and back, rock forward, recover, step back, rock back, recover, step forward. You're going to do your step, quarter, cross. Now we're going to change the hinge turn so it only makes a quarter. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and then step your right foot to the right side to end the dance. So the counts are still exactly the same, you're just only doing 1 quarter instead of 2. And that will be your ending to face 12 o'clock. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between the tag and the bridge into that next wall. Weight on your left, starting with your hitch. Hitch, drag back, coaster step, rock, recover, half, run, run, run. Mambo step, step, quarter cross, quarter, quarter cross. Point, quarter, point, step, point, quarter, point, step, heel, heel, touch, back, body roll, coaster, step, lock, step, and your chase half turn hitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag, hitch, drag, coaster, step, rock, recover, half, run, run, run. Mambo step, step, quarter cross, quarter, quarter cross. Point, quarter, point, step, point, quarter, point, step, heel, heel, touch, back, body roll, coaster, step, lock, step, and your chase half turn, jazz box cross. Back, side, cross, do your last 16 counts, which is your toe switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Start over. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you will dance to the end of the song where you do your ending. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Blame's on you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Whoa, wasn't ready for this, about knocked me on my back, how hard it hit, like damn, bust down.